Hello friends, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I will show you how you can install the latest version of PHP. I will also show you how you can run a simple PHP program once we install the PHP in our system. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, we will check whether PHP is installed in your system or not. So what you need to do, simply open your command prompt and simply type PHP hyphen version. If I press enter, it will show the version of PHP that is installed in our system. Means I am trying to checking the version of PHP that is installed in our system, but it is showing me PHP is not recognized as internal or external command. That means PHP is not installed in our system right now. Okay, so now I will show you how you can install the latest version of PHP, and then we will run a simple PHP program. Okay, so first of all, what you need to do, simply you have to download the PHP, okay, the latest version of the PHP or the version that you want to install in your system. Okay, so simply type download PHP, okay, and press enter. So it will show you an PHP in website php.net. Simply click on PHP downloads. So here you can see downloads section. Okay, so simply here you can see the download and installation instructions. So just scroll down and here you will see the current stable PHP version, that is right now is 8.4.1. so it is the latest version. Okay, so we are going to install the latest version, that is PHP 8.4.11. okay, so simply you can download it here. Simply you can see the Windows downloads option, so click on Windows downloads, and here you can see that there are the versions which is non-thread safe, and here you can see thread safe version. So we are going to install this thread safe version. Okay, so here you can see the option to download the zip file. Okay, so simply click on zip. So it will download the zip file of the latest version of PHP, that is 8.4.11. Here you can see the downloads is in progress. So once it completed, I will open. Here you can see it is completed. So I will go to the download section, and here you can see the zip file of PHP. I can rename it to PHP, simply PHP 8.4.11. So simply right click on it and click on extract all, and here you can see it will extract the file to PHP 8.4.11 folder. So simply click on extract. So it will extract this folder and create a new folder. Okay, so here you can see it has extracted and created a new folder, that is PHP 8.4.11. so now you will simply copy or cut this folder and simply paste it to your C directory to program files. Okay, so open program files and simply paste this folder here. Okay, click on continue. Here you can see PHP 8.4.11 folder. Okay, simply open it and now copy this path. Okay, means you have to copy the path of the folder that you have pasted just now. Okay, so simply copy this path and minimize this. This is PC. Right click on it, click on properties. Here click on advanced system settings. Here click on environment variables, and now basically you have to set the environment variable of this folder. Okay, so simply go to the system variables option. Okay, there are two options. First one is user variable and second one is system variables. So we have to set the system variables. Okay, so search here for path, click on path, simply click on edit and simply click on new and paste this path here. Okay, click on OK, click on OK, and finally click on OK. So now I will again go to the command prompt, check the version of PHP that we have installed in our system. So simply type PHP hyphen version, press enter. So this time now you can see it is showing me the version of PHP that we have installed just now, that is PHP 8.4.11. So now you can see it is showing me the PHP version of the PHP. That means we have successfully installed the PHP in our system. Okay, so now I will show you how you can run a PHP program. So I will simply create a file on the desktop, test document, name it let's say index.php. You can name it anything, but extension should be .php. Okay, so now I have created a file named index.php. .php is the extension of the PHP file. Okay, so simply open this file and we will write a simple PHP program here. PHP program should be inside PHP tag. Okay, so simply type echo and hello world. Simply we are printing hello world, so simply type echo hello world. So save this file. Okay, now I will again go to the command prompt, and this file is on desktop. Okay, make sure the file is on desktop. So we have to go to the desktop. Right now we are under user and HP folder. Okay, so simply go to cd desktop, press enter. Now we are on desktop, so simply type php space name of the file index.php. Okay, you have to simply write php space name of the file that you want to run. Okay, simply press enter. So now you can see it is showing me hello world on the command prompt. Okay, that means we are able to run the PHP program that we just written. Okay, so in this video I have shown you how you can install the latest version of the PHP and how you can run a PHP program using command prompt. I hope you have also installed the PHP in your system and you are also able to run a PHP program using command prompt. If you are still facing some problem, you can comment in the comment section of this video. I will read each and every comment and I will try to reply as soon as possible. So that's it for all. Thank you. Bye bye.